I ain't never heard a crackhead said, I ain't got no money, so I ain't smoking today. So how you gonna let a crackhead outwork and out hustle you? That should never happen. My wife got hit by a car in on November 20th, 2025. She is still in a rehab center, just fighting to learn how to walk again. So she got a long road. But guess what? The very next day she got hit, I was back at my job working and I ain't stopped since. And besides that, I get home and I get up, I'm hustling. Before I get, I get dressed, start hustling. Then on my breaks, I'm hustling for my job. And then when I get home, I'm hustling after work, all to make money online because down the road it's all going to pay off. Kobe Bryant was like that. He was he would get up, 2-3 hours earlier than anybody else. Then he was practicing multiple times a day in the off season because all those extra hours they add up, and down the road, that is where the passive income lies. Now we will help you, and I'm gonna take you through real quick. I'm gonna show you my Facebook profile real quick. Okay, so this is me, 4.9K friends. All right, so I'm gonna take you what I'm talking about real quick about how we will build a thing. But before that, I'm gonna show you my wife real quick. See, this is my son's post about all this wrong with my wife. She got hit by a car going over 45 miles an hour. She had several surgeries. The accident left her with severe injuries, including fracture of her neck, C2, C6, and C7, a broken femur in the right leg, a broken tibia, fibula in the right leg, and a subdural hematoma with a black clot in the brain that doctors are closely monitoring. Now, this GoFundMe has gotten exactly $445. See, let me see if I can see it. Oh, this is it. I think is it where it says, yeah, $445 raised of a 13K goal. Nothing is guaranteed. Your job is not guaranteed. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. So this is where we're going to help you right here. See this action step. This guy, even a 15-year-old, was a top 200 earner in a company that's 200,000 200,000 affiliates. One of the best programs ever. And he was, as 15-year-old in his first company, was a top 200 earner. And he's been a top 5 earner since. I think he's number 2 or number 3 on the leaderboard right now. And what are we offering? Traffic. But guess what? The first step in this thing after you get in is to book an appointment with our affiliate mentor specialist, Justin Temple. Now, these calls are not to upsell you. These calls are designed to be DFY sponsor style to help your team get their AM business set up, even if you're not available as a sponsor. We will help your team because we know many of our affiliates are busy and maybe working a 9 to 5 or running ads. Please prepare any questions you may have before our meeting. Understand, we will help you build any business. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's Save Club, whether it's E1 Life, it doesn't matter what it is. We will help you build your business and get your dream company off the ground and start not only training you, but training others. See, the site that you get in when you get come with our even our $50 level, you get this site. And this site is all you need, not just to learn how to market the right way and to rank your videos on YouTube, but everybody is going to learn the same thing. And this is the basic steps, but it's all I'm doing right now, and I'm ranking every single one of my videos. I'll show you an example right here. Believe I'm number 1. Give me a second. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be. All right, so as you see, I'm gonna look up Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority. This is actually a playlist with 153 videos, okay? The number 1 video is mine, and it was only made 5 hours ago with 4 views. Now, I would do this in incognito mode so you see it's legitimate, but it's legit. I'm ranking all my videos, but if I did it in incognito mode, you could search for yourself, by the way. Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority, okay? And all my videos are ranking because of this training right here. And you will get this as a bonus for not just you, but your team as well. This is all the steps I'm doing right now, but there's more, including 150 email swipes, how to 10x your income, schedule a coaching call with our team leader, how to make $1,000 a day, compound training, AM team chat, VIP bonuses. Okay, and if you got all in, you get traffic rotator. Now I'm gonna take the first person that joins all in, that is either joining me or brought in from my team leader. I'm going to take that $220, everything I get from the per all-in purchase, and I'm going to put it right back into traffic every single last time. That is how I'm going to help you. And we will split all the leads, all the sales. So you might get a sale and I might not. But we're going to build my email list and your email list together. Okay? And not only will you have that as an all-in bonus, you'll be able to offer your own traffic rotator. This is what our site looks like. And if you're going to a site like this, that's basically your affiliate link that you're given by the company, you're doing yourself a grave disservice. This is what it should look like. Your funnel should look like. Customize it to you, personalized. You've never seen anything like this, right? With our $15,000 in bonuses, by the way. Okay, I'm going to play a little snippet.
Hey, thanks for entering your email address in the previous page. My name is John Sully, and you're here because you want to make $1,000 a day, right?
Okay, so it has my phone number, my me telling my story, branding myself. It has my name, my phone number. It's built with the same colors as a system. It's congruent, okay? This is what they talk about in the actual page that for Traffic Authority. It's the Affiliate Mentor, which is a financial traffic authority, so it's well known. It's been around for about 10 years. And you can get in and get all these bonuses if you go on. But guess what? Even if you get in where you fit in, if you can't go all in, again, we have these bonuses right here. And this is all I'm using every single day to rank online and build backlinks. Okay? How to do every single step. But then we have this bigger site. Depending on what level you get in, this is what it looks like. And you can get 50% commissions on this entire funnel. And if you join in the second level, which is VIP, you get up to Elite Marketer. So you can actually earn up to Elite Marketer 50% commissions at any level, and not even pay for the system, and you can earn 50% commissions on each level. Okay, that's crazy. So, and this is actually amazing value, and they run a webinar and a replay every single week. Okay. Also, let me show you something real quick. Again, this is the type of a page you have. The bonus, the all-in bonuses, the team traffic rotator. Again, I will not only take all my traffic and put it back into the system for you and me and anybody else that joins with me, but you'll have your own rotator. You could do the same thing. Also, you have the Team Solly training site, which I showed you, and access to John Solly. And we will train your team and your team's team, and we will build any business you want. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. We can help you. Total team value, $14,991. Okay, so what is Affiliate Mentor? That's what this video is about. Affiliate Mentor is the front end to Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is the eyeballs on your offer. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. You need traffic. You need top tier traffic. You need traffic from tier 1 countries like United States, the UK, Canada. And you need That it doesn't matter whether you have a business that's online or offline. You need to have the butts in the seat. You need eyeballs to your offer. If nobody knows where, even if you have a brick and mortar, if nobody knows where you are, you're not making any money. Period. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. It doesn't matter if it's a potion, a lotion. We have traffic. Everybody needs traffic. Okay? And we have a way to get done for you guaranteed leads and sales. You heard me right. Not just guaranteed leads. You can get a guaranteed amount of sales depending on what level you get. You could also get traffic up to 50% off. Okay? And you can get paid on clicks whether anybody buys from you or not. What is traffic authority? What is affiliate manor? Affiliate manor is the front end to traffic authority, and traffic authority has been around for well over a decade. Get the eyeballs on your offer and stop promoting what everybody else is promoting. Stand out. Take some balls and hustle. Hustle now so you don't have to hustle later and you can quit your 9 to 5 in 2025. I'm John Solly, aka JJ Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly Man. Don't delay. Get with Jay today. Like, subscribe, and follow for more. And I'll see you in the next one. This is my What is Affiliate Mentor video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.